Understanding the power of emotions is an important part of being emotionally intelligent. Understanding how to work with emotions can help you understand the needs of your customers and make more sales. Emotions motivate us to make decisions and inform us when to act. Some underlying customer emotions are greed, the feeling something will be gained from the purchase. Fear, the worry of missing out or losing if action is not taken. Altruism, others can be helped with this decision. Envy, acting to stay competitive. Pride, looking smart for making a good choice. Shame, not wanting to look stupid for making a bad choice. Understanding the power of emotions in selling can be a great asset to any salesperson, enabling you to tailor your sales pitch and present your product to meet customers' emotional needs. Working with emotions effectively can help you to understand the needs of your customers at a deeper level and make more sales.